I'm John.
I'm James.
We're the Lunchbox Boys, here with another From the Lunchbox to the Toolbox, in which you will get a twofer, because we're reviewing the new combos, sweet and salty.
Oh, yeah.
We have caramel creme.
And vanilla frosting.
Alright. Bust these bad boys open.
Oh, God! Oh, God!
Oh, you busted it wide open. Alright.
Oh, right off the bat, you can smell the vanilla frosting. Right off the bat.
You can smell caramel creme. Alright. Now what we're going to do is he's going to try the cake frosting first. I'm going to try the caramel cream first.
Yeah.
And
very cake frosty. And salty.
this is everything that I hoped it would be. 5 out of 5. The only little bitch I got is they were little, I mean it's combos, pretzel, a little heavy on the salt. So it's like, it's sweet and salty. No, it should be salty and sweet and salty again. That's what you got right here. But $2 a bag.
Can't beat it.
This is my all-time. Man,
I'm gonna say this is really good, except for the pretzel-y part.
Okay, so what do you give the cake frosting?
My personal is 4.
4 out of 5, 5 out of 5, and switch.
Oh man, I can smell the shit. Oh man. Definitely a 5.
I'm going to give these a 4. They are very much so pretzel. The vanilla frosting is kind of weak, but when you get it, you get it. It's
Ow!
ow. Well, give me some more of these things.
These are good.
And we're going to continue snacking. I am John.
And James.
Lunchbox Boys out.